नमस्कार मित्रमैत्रिणींनो, आजच्या गर्ल स्टोरी टेलिंग कार्यक्रमात आपलं मनापासून स्वागत आहे. मी आहे तुमच्यासोबत तुमची मैत्रीण प्रेरणा. मित्रमैत्रिणींनो, आज आपण सुंदर बोधकथा ऐकणार आहोत. खरं तर ही बोधकथा श्री सुशील कुमार पांचाळ सर, जिल्हा परिषद प्राथमिक शाळा, तालुका शिरूर अनंतपाळ, जिल्हा लातूर यांनी पाठवलेली आहे. महत्वाचं म्हणजे पांचाळ सरांना 2018 सालचा राज्याचा आदर्श शिक्षक पुरस्कार सुद्धा मिळालेला आहे. तर मित्रमैत्रिणींनो, आज आपण त्यांनीच पाठवलेली एक सुंदर इंग्रजी कथा आज आपण ऐकणार आहोत. I hope you will like this story. The story name is The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Once there was a shepherd boy who had to look after a flock of sheep. One day he felt bored and decided to play a trick on the villagers. He shouted, "Help! Help! Wolf! Wolf!" The villagers hear his cries and rush out of the village to help the shepherd boy. When they reach him, they ask, "Where is the wolf?" The shepherd boy laughed loudly. "Ha ha ha! I fooled all of you. I was only playing a trick on you." A few days later, the shepherd boy played this trick again. Again he cried, "Help! Help! Wolf! Wolf!" Again the villagers rushed up the hill to help him, and again they found that boy had tricked them. They were very angry with him. For being so naughty. Then, sometime later, the wolf attacked one sheep, and then another and another. The shepherd boy ran towards the village shouting, "Help! Help! Wolf! Wolf! Help! Somebody!" The villagers hear his cries, but they laugh because they thought it was another trick. The boy ran to the nearest villager and said, "A wolf is attracting the sheep. I lied before, but this time it is true." Finally, the villager went to look. It was true. They could see that wolf running away and many dead sheep lying on the grass. So my dear friends, I am very thankful my Sakhi Aarti Naik Changemaker, because her support today my voice reaching to you, and I am sharing this story with you. Tomorrow I will share a new story. Thank you.